Ever wondered how your fridge keeps your food fresh and cool even on the hottest days? Let's uncover the science behind this everyday marvel. To refrigerators and their importance. Refrigerators play a crucial role in modern life by keeping our food fresh and safe. By maintaining low temperatures, they slow the growth of bacteria, prolonging the shelf life of perishable items. A refrigerator works by using a refrigeration cycle, which involves changing a liquid into a gas to absorb heat, then back into a liquid to release that heat outside the machine. This cycle keeps the interior cool. Key components include a compressor, a condenser, an evaporator, refrigerants. The compressor is the heart of the refrigeration cycle. It pumps refrigerant through the system and compresses it, raising its pressure and temperature before moving it to the condenser. In the condenser, the refrigerant releases heat absorbed from inside the fridge. It cools down and becomes liquid again, ready to cycle back into the evaporator. The evaporator is where the refrigerant absorbs heat from the fridge's interior. As it evaporates, the refrigerant cools the air, keeping food fresh and chilled. Refrigerants are critical as they absorb and release heat in the refrigeration cycle. Modern refrigerants are designed to be environmentally friendly, minimizing their impact on global warming. If you're finding this exploration fascinating, consider subscribing for more insights into everyday technology. Understanding the refrigeration cycle. The refrigeration cycle is a fascinating process that keeps our food fresh and safe. By continuously removing heat from inside a refrigerator, it maintains low temperatures to slow bacterial growth, ensuring food lasts longer. Let's explore the key components and steps involved in this cycle. Refrigerants are crucial to the refrigeration cycle. These special fluids absorb heat as they change from liquid to gas inside the refrigerator. They then release this heat externally as they return to liquid form, enabling the continuous cooling process. The compressor is the heart of the refrigeration cycle. It pumps the refrigerant through the system, increasing its pressure and temperature. This process helps the refrigerant release absorbed heat as it moves to the condenser. Located outside the refrigerator, the condenser dissipates heat absorbed by the refrigerant. As the refrigerant cools, it condenses back into a liquid state, ready to re-enter the cooling cycle. The expansion valve is a critical component that reduces the refrigerant's pressure, allowing it to expand and cool rapidly. This cooling effect prepares the refrigerant to absorb more heat as it enters the evaporator. Inside the refrigerator, the evaporator allows the refrigerant to absorb heat from the internal environment. This absorption cools the air, keeping the refrigerator's interior at the desired low temperature. If you're finding this useful, a quick like would be amazing. The refrigeration cycle is a continuous loop involving the compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. Each component plays a vital role in maintaining the refrigerator's efficiency and effectiveness. The refrigeration cycle offers numerous benefits, preserves food by slowing bacteria growth, enhances food safety and longevity, increases energy efficiency, supports air conditioning and heat pump systems. Understanding the refrigeration cycle reveals the clever science that keeps our food fresh. Each component plays an integral role in this process. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know below. The role of refrigerants in cooling. Refrigerants are special fluids used in refrigeration cycles to absorb and release heat. They undergo phase changes, turning from liquid to gas and back, facilitating the cooling process in refrigerators. In the refrigerator, refrigerants first absorb heat from the interior, causing them to evaporate from a liquid to a gas. This phase change is crucial as it removes heat from the food compartment. As the refrigerant evaporates, it absorbs heat, effectively lowering the temperature inside the refrigerator. This process ensures that your food stays fresh and bacteria growth is slowed. The compressor plays a vital role by pumping the gaseous refrigerant, increasing its pressure and temperature, and moving it through the system to release absorbed heat. In the condenser, the high-pressure gas releases its heat to the surroundings and condenses back into a liquid. This step is essential for maintaining the cycle's efficiency. The liquid refrigerant passes through an expansion valve, lowering its pressure and temperature, preparing it to absorb heat again. This completes the refrigeration cycle. Choosing the right refrigerant is crucial for efficiency and environmental impact. CFCs were once common but are harmful to the ozone layer. HCFCs are less harmful but still phased out. HFCs and natural refrigerants are now preferred options. Refrigerants have varying impacts on the environment. Modern alternatives aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and ozone depletion, promoting sustainable cooling solutions. Refrigerants are vital in cooling technologies, ensuring efficient heat transfer. Understanding their role helps us appreciate the science behind your refrigerator's cool efficiency. If you found this insight useful, a thumbs up would be great. Compressors, the heart of the system. The compressor is a vital component in the refrigeration cycle. It acts as the system's pump, circulating refrigerant throughout the system and playing a crucial role in temperature regulation. Compressors work by compressing the refrigerant gas, raising its pressure and temperature. This process enables the refrigerant to move through the system and expel heat efficiently. Compressors come in various types, each with unique advantages. Reciprocating compressors use pistons to compress refrigerant. Rotary compressors, compact and efficient for small systems. Scroll compressors, smooth operation and high efficiency. Within the refrigeration cycle, the compressor ensures that the refrigerant moves continuously, facilitating the cycle of evaporation and condensation essential for cooling. Modern compressors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. They help reduce electricity usage while maintaining optimal cooling performance, which is crucial for both environmental and economic reasons. Regular maintenance can significantly extend a compressor's lifespan. Ensuring proper ventilation and cleaning can prevent overheating and improve efficiency. If you're finding this useful, a quick like would be amazing. Compressors can encounter various issues, including overheating, often due to poor ventilation or dirt buildup. Noise may indicate mechanical problems or wear. Inefficiency could be a sign of refrigerant leaks or faulty components. Innovations in compressor technology are paving the way for quieter, more efficient models. These advancements are crucial for the ongoing evolution of refrigeration systems. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know below. How evaporators facilitate heat absorption. The evaporator is a crucial component of the refrigeration cycle. It absorbs heat from the refrigerator's interior, allowing the refrigerant to evaporate and cool the surrounding air, thus keeping your food fresh. Inside the evaporator, the refrigerant absorbs heat and changes from a liquid to a gas. This phase change is essential for removing heat from the refrigerator's interior and maintaining a cool environment. As the refrigerant evaporates, it pulls heat from the food and air inside the fridge. This process lowers the temperature, slowing down bacterial growth and prolonging food shelf life. Evaporator coils are designed to maximize surface area for efficient heat absorption. The larger the surface, the more heat can be absorbed, enhancing the cooling effect. The refrigerant's journey through the evaporator involves several stages. 1. Entering as a low-pressure liquid. 2. Absorbing heat and evaporating into a gas. 3. Exiting as a low-pressure gas, ready for compression. The evaporator plays a key role in temperature regulation. By continuously absorbing heat, it ensures the refrigerator maintains a consistent, cool environment. This is vital for food preservation and energy efficiency. Efficient evaporators contribute to energy savings by optimizing the heat absorption process. This reduces the workload on other components, like the compressor, leading to lower energy consumption. Keeping your evaporator clean and free from frost enhances its efficiency. Regular maintenance ensures optimal performance and extends the lifespan of your refrigerator. If you're finding this useful, a quick like would be amazing. Cross-sectional view, visualizing the cooling process. The refrigeration cycle is a fascinating process that keeps our food fresh. By cycling refrigerant through a series of components, it effectively removes heat from inside the fridge, maintaining a cool environment and extending the life of our perishables. The compressor is the heart of the refrigeration cycle. It compresses the refrigerant, increasing its pressure and temperature, and sends it to the condenser. This is where the transformation begins, crucial for the cooling process. In the condenser, the high-pressure refrigerant releases heat to the surroundings. This process turns the refrigerant from a gas to a liquid, preparing it for the next cooling stage. It's like the fridge's way of exhaling heat. The expansion valve plays a critical role by reducing the pressure of the refrigerant. This sudden drop in pressure allows the refrigerant to expand and cool rapidly, setting the stage for heat absorption. Inside the evaporator, the cool refrigerant absorbs heat from the fridge interior, turning back into a gas. This heat absorption is what keeps your food cool and fresh. Have you noticed how your fridge stays cool even when it's hot outside? Refrigerants are specialized fluids that cycle through the system, facilitating heat transfer. They are crucial for the refrigeration cycle, enabling the cooling process by changing states from liquid to gas and back. To ensure your refrigerator runs efficiently, regular maintenance is key. Clean the coils, check the seals, and monitor the temperature settings. A well-maintained fridge not only saves energy, but also keeps your food safe longer. If this is useful, consider subscribing for more tips. The refrigeration cycle is a marvel of thermodynamics, a practical application of physics that keeps our food fresh. By understanding its components and functions, we gain a deeper appreciation for this everyday appliance. What are your thoughts on this process? Share below. Maintaining your refrigerator for optimal performance. To keep your refrigerator running efficiently, regularly clean both the interior and exterior. Remove expired items, wipe down shelves, and clean the condenser coils with a vacuum or brush to ensure optimal airflow. Ensure your refrigerator is set to the right temperature. 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, 32 to 40 degrees for the fridge, and -18 degrees for the freezer. This helps maintain food freshness and prevents bacterial growth. Check the door seals regularly. A tight seal prevents cool air from escaping, reducing energy usage and keeping your food cold. Replace any worn or cracked seals promptly. Proper organization of your refrigerator can enhance its performance. Keep items away from the back wall to allow airflow. Group similar items together to minimize door opening time. Avoid overloading to maintain efficient cooling. Unusual noises can be a sign of issues. If you hear loud buzzing or clicking, it might indicate a problem with the compressor or fan. Address these issues promptly to avoid costly repairs. If your freezer isn't frost-free, regular defrosting is essential. Excess frost can reduce efficiency and storage space. Defrost when the frost buildup reaches ½ inch. Schedule professional maintenance annually. A technician can check for refrigerant leaks, test the electrical components, and ensure your appliance is running efficiently. Improve your refrigerator's energy efficiency with these tips. Keep it well stocked for better insulation. Avoid placing it near heat sources. Ensure proper ventilation around the appliance. If you're finding these tips helpful, consider subscribing for more insights on home appliance maintenance. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. The significance of the refrigeration cycle. The refrigeration cycle is the heart of modern cooling technology. It transforms how we preserve food, ensuring freshness and safety by maintaining low temperatures that slow bacteria growth. Efficient refrigeration cycles not only keep our food fresh, but also reduce energy consumption. By optimizing the cycle, refrigerators minimize energy use, saving costs and benefiting the environment. The refrigeration cycle plays a crucial role in food safety. By maintaining consistent temperatures, it prevents the rapid growth of bacteria, extending the shelf life of perishable goods. From keeping your milk cold to preserving leftovers, the refrigeration cycle impacts our daily routines. It makes modern life more convenient, allowing us to store food safely for longer periods. Refrigeration cycles are not just for kitchens. They are integral to air conditioning systems, which cool and dehumidify our indoor spaces, enhancing comfort in homes and offices. Advancements in refrigeration technology continue to improve efficiency and effectiveness. Innovations like smart fridges and eco-friendly refrigerants are setting new standards in cooling. If you're finding this exploration of refrigeration cycles intriguing, a quick like would be amazing. To ensure optimal performance, it's important to maintain your refrigerator regularly. Clean the coils to prevent dust buildup. Check door seals for proper closure. Monitor temperature settings to avoid energy wastage.